Back now to the alarming arrest of a gymnastics coach accused of sexual crimes involving his young students. The night team's Sheldon Fox live in Key Biscayne with this. Sheldon.
He gained their trust and then did terrible things. That's what police are saying about an alleged sex criminal coach. You're looking at the face of an accused child predator. He's a gymnastics coach and an alleged years-long sex abuser of little girls and teens on Key Biscayne.
I can confirm for you that we do have an active and ongoing criminal investigation with the Miami-Dade Police Department and the State Attorney's Office.
38-year-old Oscar Olea was arrested Wednesday and booked into Miami-Dade jail on 2 counts of engaging in sex acts with a child.
Nothing has been done for 10 years.
Key Biscayne residents have been saying it's been a long time coming. They vented to Police Chief Francis Sousa.
This would have happened to your daughter or your granddaughter, even if she was involved in the gym. You would do everything, your 30 years of police experience, to get to the very bottom of this.
They met with law enforcement officials earlier this month to discuss concerns about Olea, who was the subject of a Miami Herald investigation that uncovered claims of child rape and molestation of young girls and teens. The state's criminal case says 2 victims, both adults now, claim they were repeatedly abused more than a decade ago as teens. One affidavit says the victim stated he enticed her into getting closer to him as someone she could trust. He would tell her, "You're my best friend, you're my sister, and I'm your brother." The victim stated the subject made her feel comfortable. Some of the sex crimes are alleged to have happened just off this portion of Crandon Boulevard, in an old apartment of Olea's, but he allegedly struck elsewhere, like at gymnastics facilities where parents sent their young daughters to be coached. The subject placed mats, cones, and other objects against the wall to conceal them from the view of the public. The accusers said Olea was manipulative and got them to see him as a friend or guardian before carrying out his alleged monstrous behavior. During the classes, the subject held the victim's hand and told her that he would love her. They would be together. Her age didn't matter, and they would be married. And there were at least 2 other accusers 12 years ago, according to the Miami Herald report. No charges were filed, no arrests made back then. And this defendant remains locked up tonight in West Miami-Dade at the Miami-Dade County Jail. We're live tonight in Key Biscayne. Sheldon Fox, 7 News Night Team.